solution by undertaking everyday heroics as well as emergency tasks. National Women in Engineering Day was launched for the first time in the United Kingdom. Since that launch, it grew enormously popular. In 2017, National Women in Engineering Day became international for the first time due to the interest and enthusiasm developed by the international audience. After that description about International Women in Engineering Day, I would also like to introduce the volunteer team for today's event, whose significant contribution and joint efforts made the event happen. The team includes Manya Agarwal, Yashika Mishra, Astha Agarwal, Himanshu Singh, Ashmeet Gupta, Simran Kaur, and Utkarsh Singh. I would now request Dr. Anita Shukla ma'am to please welcome Ms. Avika Pal ma'am.
Thank you, Prachi. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, thank you, Prachi, for inviting me. And I'm really glad to introduce our today's first speaker, Miss Avika Pal. And it's the matter of pride, really, because Miss Avika is our PSIT alumni also. And currently, she is associated with a startup named Sangre Innovation, and where she is holding the responsibility of Chief Operating Officer. Now, without taking much more time, I would like to welcome and invite Miss Avika Pal for sharing her views on this occasion of Y Day. So, Avika, please join us.
Yes, thank you, Anita ma'am, for inviting me. Hello, everyone. Hope everyone are well and safe at their home. So, I have made one PPT. Can I share? Let me just share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. So, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, firstly, I want to say that Happy Women's and Engineering Day to everyone. Now, my introduction. My name is Avika Pal. Anita ma'am has already introduced me, that I have completed my BTech from Computer Science and Engineering stream. Now, I remember the day when we have started this student branch, Women in Engineering. I was the chair. I have grabbed that opportunity to learn many things. Actually, Parna ma'am has asked me that if I want to become an vice chair or not. Without any further thinking, I have grabbed that opportunity, because what I want to become in my life, that I have decided first, that I want to become an entrepreneur. So I will learn a lot of things in working in a Y. So what I have learned, that we can see, that first is volunteer yourself. Volunteering yourself is a must. Like, if you have anything in your mind, if you want to do such like, if you have any idea, you can share with your senior, your faculty member, and IEEE gives you that opportunity to volunteer yourself about anything that you want to do. Like, if you want to do research paper, if you want to start a new career in company or anything, that all gives you in the IEEE. So first volunteer yourself to go into the IEEE, then interact with many people. That is more important. So those things I have learned from working in a IEEE. So second was the to grab the opportunity. Like, I have already told you that while working, like Aparna ma'am has asked me that if you want to do this, so that opportunity gives me a lot of help. Like, while teamwork. Teamwork is most important if you will work in a company or anywhere, because to understand a team and work in a team, that is the important thing, that what your colleague is thinking and how they can do the work. that you have to understand, and that I have learned from why. Then lead a team, that when I get the opportunity to lead the y chair, like as a y chair, so I have organized the work, I have managed, I have conducted many events. So while conducting events, while working on those things, I have learned organizing the work management, the time management. And why I want to enhance all those skills, because I someday I thought that I will going to run my own company. That thought was always in my mind, but when and where I will do all these things, I didn't know. And then some another day, like we I have remember that in 2018 Aparna ma'am has registered a company called the Sangrah Innovation. And then in 2020, 2020, she has asked me that do you want to be a part of this company? And again, without any further thinking, I said yes, because someday I want to join a startup and like do something. And then like I have already enhanced my skills and all, means again I want to improve further skills. That's why I joined this company called the Sangrah Innovations and became one of the founder member. So how I started my startup, like at Feb 2020, we don't have had any idea like what next we have to do, what things we should, means how we have to start. We didn't have any idea. We had only the name called Sangrah Innovation. Then we had means we had faces many difficulties. We have like further we have all, like I have a team, so we all don't know what to do. So then we have applied for many competitions for the funders, for the investors, for incubations. We have pitched many ideas. Then gradually we got to know that we don't have to pitch our idea to everyone. That is not good for us. So we had collected many ideas, like 100 of the ideas, then only 10 of them get selected. That is the reality. If you had thousands of ideas, only 10 of them will get selected. So that's what we have learned from doing all these things. Failure are must, everybody knows, like failure is the key to success. That we have learned from working in a startup, because from the starting we had different ideas, we have dropped many ideas, and then we come into some ideas that we are working now. Why I'm telling all these things? If you want to become an entrepreneur, that all will help you a lot. But if you don't want to do these things, that also why and everything will help you. Like I have told you, there are a lot of opportunities for career as well, for getting good companies, and for getting, like if you want to do masters or something, there are groups. If you want to join them, you will get to know your seniors or the person who are like alumni of that college, like they are IIMs, they are IITs. If you want to do all these things, everything is available. Just you have to look out those things, explore the things. Now, what are my working areas? So after learning and dropping many ideas, we are collected some of the ideas, which is first the Coding Junior. It is an edtech company. It is a platform where the kids can learn coding. There are a lot of other startups, you know about all these things, there are a lot of other startups in the market, but how we are different and what we have thought, that is the thing. So we have our own USP, that is called, we have to make them ready for the international Olympiads of coding. So those Olympiads, they can like they can get my student can get directly admission into Stanford, Harvard like universities, and get an scholarships, so that parents burden can means reduce. Now, and what else is there, like we are not going for the mass student, we are going for the best student, like you all have heard of Super 30. So we are going to just means choose best students, so that they can get those universities or those opportunities that after what after qualifying the competition they can get. So we have thought of that. Now the second is Digital Ilaj, the healthcare venture. That is we don't I think I don't have that uh, what I can say, that I can't reveal the idea right now because we are working on that. So, but it is like we are working on the healthcare venture, which is totally new, and we will launch this soon. Third is research paper. What I'm working on a research paper as well. I have completed 3 research paper till now, and I'm working on different research papers as well. So if I will, I means if you will learn all these things, then you can also work on these factors. Fourth one is Sanjeevani, and this will going to launch, I think, in 2 or 3 days. That is, we have made the product which is oxygen concentrator, that will be going to launch in, I think, 2 or 3 days. So that will also be come into the market, and you all will see that. Now, this is my contact details. I think I have summarized everything in very short way, because I'm not that good in speaking totally, frankly saying. But if you want to know more and what I do in my company, and what you can, if you have any idea, you can approach me by this number and by this mail ID. Okay, and thank you everyone for listening me, and thank you. Hello, Praj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So thank you everyone, and hope you will follow all the instructions of COVID, and yes, be safe.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views with us. I would now request Ms. Richa Raj Maheshwari, ma'am, who is a software engineer trainee at Yamaha Motor Solution India Private Limited, to please share her thoughts with us.
Hello, everyone. Good evening, and happy Women in Engineering Day to all of you. Prachi, I would like to tell you that today only itself, I just got my letter that now from a trainee, I'm a software engineer. So that is a Women in Engineering Day for me today. That happened. So sharing my experience from January to June in work life, I think we all have a work life. You will come to your work life and you'll know what it is, how it is. But I will take back to few months back when we were sitting for our placement drives. I want to talk about that because most of you are going to be having that in a month or two, or maybe you are already going through that process. So what happened was we were sitting for the day one company, and we all were placed in day one company. All of my group was placed, and we were happy and we were celebrating. But when Yamaha happened, I had no interest in sitting for the drive. Although the company was good, the CTC was good, but still we had not that much insight about the company, that is it that technical or not. What if I go to a non-technical company, will it be enhancing my skills or not? So we all of my friends left for the pre-placement talk, and I was still sitting in the classroom thinking that whether I should do it or not. And then my friend just called, who has not at all interest in going to the drive. She is already in this seminar, and she always wanted to be an entrepreneur. So she went for it, and she said, "Come on, Richa, you need to be here." And she just called me, and we went for the pre-placement talk. And then the processes happened. See, so many students were sitting there, And I would not say that people were not as talented or as technical as I can say. They were already very much what do you call uh, aspiring for that job and deserving, but you don't know what and when is your day. So that was my day when I got the chance. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So what I'm gonna say is never leave an opportunity. Always go for it. Never think that you can. Is it your chance? People are there in outside world who are more deserving than you, and you leave the chance. Don't ever leave the chance just because you think your competitor is more stronger than you, and you can fail, or maybe whatever the thing which this we call self confidence thing which lacks sometimes. Don't do that. So women in engineering are always stronger and more competitive, and you're gonna learn things, so many things when you keep participating in all of these things. Very good evening, ma'am. This is so nice to see you. Then your mic is off.
Sorry. Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Me too, also. I'm very lucky one that you people are here to see again after a long time. And how is your work going on?
It's going great. I have been switching from 3 projects from Japan to Switzerland, and now I'm working for Argentina.
Okay.
And it's all your blessings, ma'am, that things have happened so great. And it's always a pleasure to see you.
Thank you so much. But this is just possible due to your hard work. Keep it up, better. Keep
Thank
it
you
up.
so much, ma'am. So I think I winded up already, because I want to say that never miss opportunity, and do not hesitate to participate in anything that you feel like you want to participate, but you think that your other competitors or other colleagues are more talented, and you might not get the chance. You never know which is your day when you get lucky, when your hard work shows and pays off. So hard work always pays off, no matter how many people are there in the group and how many people are working with you or against you. And talking about the experience in the company, so far things have been great. My mentors have been great. Once you get into corporate world, I was already scared how the things gonna be, but see, as Aditi told me, her mentor is a female. I even for my first project, my mentor was a female, and she was amazing. She had an amazing work life balance when you're working. And this whole work from home setup, guys, I'm telling you that this is not a bliss, because you have your personal life, you have your professional life, and it gets mixed. So but when you will see people like her, that she is a woman, and the way she mentored me for my first project and the confidence she built inside me is something that is praiseworthy. And now I'm working for the Argentina project. Earlier it was YNS Japan. I have switched from 2 to 3 projects within the span of, although I was working for a trainee as a trainee, but we used to work on a live projects, because Yamaha do not have that much resource in terms of, do not have that much resource. They have a very limited number of engineers, so they keep their training working even you are trainee. So you get a very less time to learn things. You implement and learn there. So this has been turned out to be great. I really want to wish you guys a very happy Women in Engineering Day, and keep working and keep learning. Thank you so much. Thank you, Prachi. That's from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your thoughts with us. I would now request Ms. Rashmi Chauhan, ma'am, who is the advisor of Computer Society, to please share her valuable thoughts with us.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Respected Aparna ma'am and respected Anita ma'am, and all of you, all the students. First of all, congratulations to all of us that we are celebrating Y Day. You all are doing fantastic jobs. You all are justifying your roles with each celebration. Either it is a webinar, it is a talk. You all do just a fantastic job. Okay, so now when you do something with full dedication, it gives a great satisfaction. Okay, or I can say that it gives a great inner peace to us that we have done something. When you organize a event and successfully complete this event, then you get a inner peace that yes, our event was successful. So these are the small things which develop the confidence in us. Okay, you are the students, you have to go through a long journey along. So in the way of life, because your seniors and all have shared their experience on in the corporate, so I'm not going in that way. I'm just sharing some points that whenever you are in your life, at any stage of your life, you have to face many things. Okay, because you are a woman, and it is also a in itself, it is a very challenging role. So how you have to justify your role in each part of the life or in each form of the life. Okay, as it is said, whenever success is not about how how your life looks. Okay, it is about that how you are feeling this. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Uh, so sometimes we have to inspire others. Whenever we do something, we do anything, it is either a very small scale, it is a very grand level, always it inspires others. So whenever we are facing any challenge in the life, okay, in the life you will sometimes the time will come that you have to choose, two options will be there, and you have to choose one of them. So it sometimes it will be very typical. So I want to say that I just give summarize my talk in two topics, that always keep learning. In any situation you are, either you are in a student and after that you will start your job, so always keep learning, keep your motivation high, never lose your confidence in any situation you are. Okay, circumstances can be difficult at times, so we need to make a clear difference from the beginning and show how capable we can be. Okay, a also expect the unexpected changes in your life. Okay, be ready for these changes so that you can face every situation with full confidence. And always it is always good that we have to learn something. It is always not like that we are at the stage that we are btech and amtech and all that. We always try to learn something. It is always not like that that we cannot learn from you people. So we, it is a positive attitude that we have to learn something always. Either it is a practical manner, it is a theoretical manner. So keep learning. And second thing, it is simply be yourself. It is you are capable enough to do anything, and try to do everything, try to face every each and every challenge of your life. Maybe you will get failure in first attempt, in second attempt, in third attempt, but after that, for the sure you will be succeed. Okay, it may be you will not going in the right direction. After some time you will think that I think I am not in the right direction. So it is never late to start a new beginning in your life. So whenever you feel low in your life, always start with a new beginning. Okay, so that's the point from my side that I can share, that women in engineering, and I am also woman. I am being a woman in engineering. This way, I can say just that keep learning, be yourself, and always try to inspire others. Whatever you are doing, be honest. And when you do something with the full honesty, then it always inspires others. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you, and it's all.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your thoughts with us. I would finally request Dr. Aparna Dikshit, ma'am, who is the branch counselor of IEEE PSIT student branch, to please share her words of wisdom with us.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Rashmi ma'am. Thank you, Richa, Aditi, Avika, Avika Pal from Sangre Innovation Private Limited. And आई थिंक अभी कोई भी बच नहीं रहा है ना? नहीं तो वही नाराज हो जाएगा. एनीवेज आप लोगों ने इतना मेरे सामने इतना अच्छा डिस्कशन किया है. So I do not have any words to say more about IEEE and why even I was waiting from a long time to hear such kind of words from you people. Like this event is organized by the student Anita ma'am, Rashmi ma'am independently. I am very happy to see this कि आप लोगों ने मिल करके ये इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर लिया. Now I think we can look upon some important things at international level, global level, which are most important for the career of a student. So very soon we are going to open engineering world health chapter. So in this chapter, actually, we will try to engage our students in making medical devices by using artificial intelligence, some smart work, machine learning, and some more technologies there. Okay, across the world, we will engage ourselves to some industrialist. So I'm seeking these opportunities. So very soon we will be able to open this one. And recently, our student from IEEE PSIT student branch have developed a oxygen concentrator. And you know who is the pillar of this? जो एक first batch था, Richard, I think you know, है ना? कौन था फर्स्ट बैच जिसने पहली बार IEEE बिल्डअप किया था यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट ब्रांच में? If I am not wrong, Shivam Shukla group है ना? Shivam Shukla and Muhammad Uwais, and I think I cannot forget Sudhanshu Oja. So we were looking only 6 students. At least we should have 6 students so that we can open this branch at our institute. We were seeking only 6 students, and that time it was a very tough task. It was very difficult to find out these 6 stars. But fortunately, just hard work of Shivam Shukla, we did it very successfully. Now we can see our new chair is appointed this year, Anurag Bajpayee, who is leading very well this branch. Under his supervision, all the affinity groups, society chapters are doing very well. Kunal Sharma is leading Robotics Society. Himanshu and Nitya, they are leading Computer Society. And I think Censor Council is leading by Utkarsh. So they are doing very well. Even Prachi is the chair of Y Affinity Group, and now she is having a good group of Y. Under his mentorship, a lot of students will be trained, and I'm pretty sure that जो नया हमारे पास नए gems आएंगे वो बहुत अच्छे आएंगे. Even this year, I found new gems in the form of Utkarsh Singh, Asmit Gupta, and all these Yashika, हिमांशु वर्मा, मान्या अग्रवाल, आस्था. सो बच्चों माफ करना अगर मैं किसी का नाम ना ले पाऊँ, ठीक है? गुस्सा मत करना. आफ्टर ऑल आई एम योर टीचर. ठीक है? सो मेरा फर्स्ट एक ही क्वेश्चन होता है फर्स्ट ईयर से कि हैव यू एनी ऑब्जेक्टिव? व्हाई आर यू हियर? डोंट थिंक ऑन like you are working, you are studying in private institution. No, not at all. You are, you can do much more as being a student in a private institution, you have shown trust on us. And I think now we are in the situation, then we can say we can create a good kind of MVPs in the form of oxygen concentrator. So very soon we are launching this oxygen concentrator. आई थिंक इसमें 6 वीक्स का पूरा हार्डवर्क रहा है मोहम्मद उवैस, अविका पाल, शिवम शुक्ला, इस पूरी टीम का। इन लोगों ने काफ़ी इसमें हार्डवर्क किया है एंड सक्सेसफुली दे डिजाइंड this oxygen concentrator in a very less value of 25,000 is basically cost of components, and overall cost would be 35,000. Can you imagine what is the liter per minute capacity? It's 10 lpm, and we cannot imagine in the cost of 35,000 such a fantastic oxygen concentrator. So these students have designed very well, and US people from Rochester section, Professor Sriram Durjiti, was doing mentoring, and he is connected very well us, and he has made a promise to us like he will mentor in a different way in different issues across the world and in the coming time. So because he is very crazy about all these ventures and all these startups and some patent work and some research work, some innovative ideas, all the time he is very crazy about all this. So ये एक हार्ड वर्क था जो इन लोगों ने किया सक्सेसफुली। अब हम लोग अपने इंस्टीट्यूट में इसे लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, तो मैं सभी को इनवाइट करूंगी, कोशिश करूंगी कि ऑनलाइन आप सभी वहाँ पर प्रेजेंट रहें। तो काफ़ी अच्छा किया, बट you must justify the fee of IEEE. Nowadays it is 50% off just because of COVID-19, but it will no more same as, because pandemic will get over, then again this will be 1,000, more than 1,000, like 2,000. But what you can do, you just apply for project proposals and research work, because finally you have to write research paper, you should have one project at least in your final year. So please try to grab all these things with the help of IEEE. Even today I was delivering talk in Aligarh Muslim University. They are willing to open Y Affinity Group in their university. So I was sharing some happy moments of IEEE Y Affinity Group, and of course I have shared a lot of things there. So we can have some funding scheme also. So suppose you are writing some news article, so and this is good for your community. Okay, so you may publish under newsletter of Y Affinity Group. जैसे कि अभी मैंने कुछ टीम्स को अभी इसमें इन्वॉल्व किया है, मतलब रूरल, जो रूरल इंडिया एजुकेशन है उसमें किया है, इंसिनरेटर पे किया है। तो रिसेंटली वी डेवलप्ड एक्चुअली लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक इंसिनरेटर, सैनिटरी नैपकिन इंसिनरेटर, and sanitary napkin vending machine, and automatic hand sanitizer and drinking water. And the next MVP is oxygen concentrator. So we have spared more time in making these MVPs, so successfully manufactured by, engineered by these student. Now अब मैं कह सकती हूँ कि मेरा सपना सच होता दिखाई दे रहा है। ये बच्चे कहीं ना कहीं मेरा सपना सच कर रहे हैं। Now you people will be in the situation, then you can say कि फाइनल ईयर में मुझे 60 lakhs चाहिए। So no one will restrict you. This is up to you. You have to grab 60 lakh job. You can see this job opportunities in IEEE portal. Even in Y Affinity Group, Women in Engineering Affinity Group has launched a good site, that is Y job site, IEEE job site. You can see in on the website of Y, Women in Engineering Affinity Group. You can see on the bottom side, uh, left hand side of the bottom, this job site. So there you can see a lot of jobs from Apple, Google, and lot of other companies. So you may apply anywhere. Suppose you are good in content writing, you can apply. You are having good managerial skills, you can go for them. You are good in electronics, you are good in developing devices, mechanical, optical, electrical, so you can go for them. तो ये कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, and this is well for computer engineers also. So now the thing is, you you must good in coding also, you must have, because nowadays the people are demanding good coders also, good hackers across the world. ठीक है, अभी 2019 में जब हम लोग रशिया गए थे, then we see and came to know the people are very crazy about hacking. Hackathon हमारे यहाँ भी होते हैं, but these people are very crazy one. And why they are crazy one? Because according to our new education policy, now the coding opportunities, basically this is a mandatory for 6th standard student, but they have already involved their student from 6th standard. So we were basically in a 1C company, and there I have seen that some बहुत छोटे छोटे से बच्चे जावा सीख रहे आ रहे हैं, सी सीख रहे आ रहे हैं, 6th standard 5th standard student. And कोई उन्हें प्रेशर नहीं डाल रहा है कि you have to do this now, today is your objective, this is your objective, you have to complete and complete it and meet up tomorrow. No issues are there. So these are some important things, you can look on them. और अभी मैं देख रही हूँ at our PSIT we have good opportunities, like we have good elite branches like artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, and Internet of Things, IoT. So you should take advantage of all these elite branches also, because in the near future you can see more upgraded curriculum, course curriculum in your domain. So these are most important and will help you in shaping your career also. लेकिन यहाँ पे IEEE का रोल क्या है? अगर आप एकेडमिक्स के साथ साथ आप IEEE में भी कदम रख रहे हो, सो यू विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन योर, कह सकते हैं कि जितने भी आपके एकेडमिक स्किल्स हैं विल बिकम मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग, काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग होते जाएंगे. एंड आपका जो एकेडमिक्स है, आपका जो CV है, दैट विल गेट एनहांस इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, एंड दिस इज़ द डिमांड ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. आज हम यही देख रहे हैं, रिक्रूटर्स भी यही देख रहे हैं. दे डोंट वांट कि 1+1 is 2. No, not at all. They don't want what is Newton's laws of motion. No. How did you apply these Newton's laws of motion? How these electrons work? How these are helping us? How our basically knowledge is helping to society? We should look after our society problems, our institute problems, and try to give solution of them. Don't think on भारी भरकम चीजें मत देखो, कभी भी मत देखो, बिकॉज कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज आएंगी, और कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज के साथ मालूम क्या आएगा? हमेशा लर्निंग करते रह जाएंगे. सपोज आज हम सोचते हैं हमें AI पे कोई प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहिए, देन फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट सोचेगा बट वी डोंट नो अबाउट मच मोर अबाउट AI. देन अगेन रेस्ट्रिक्शन, अब क्या करें? सेकेंड ईयर में देखेंगे, देन सेकेंड ईयर में भी नहीं सफिशिएंट नॉलेज मिले, देन थर्ड ईयर में देखेंगे, नाउ फोर्थ ईयर हैज कम. अब आपको तो अपना CV तो स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना था, and you were looking after your first year and second year and third year and continue your learning. No, once you learn something, try to implement in that particular day. Next day will never come. Next day कभी नहीं आना. उस चीज को आज लेजर पड़ा है, आज ही इम्प्लीमेंट कर दो, आज ही बनाने की कोशिश करो लेजर को. नेक्स्ट डे विल नेवर कम बैक. ये हमें कभी नहीं सोचना है. हम ऐसे सोचें नेक्स्ट डे कभी नहीं आना उसके लिए, नेक्स्ट डे तो आएगा बट पेंडिंग वर्क अगर हम नेक्स्ट डे करते रहेंगे तो हम कब नया सीखेंगे, राइट? सो वी शुड मेक अवर पोटेंशियल्स वेरी, मतलब स्ट्रेंथन, इनको बहुत ज़्यादा हमें वो करना है. एंड This is up to you. How can we shape ourselves? We will help you, sure. I am assuring you, we will help you. But the thing is, you have to manage on your own, because now the exams are coming, and then you will start to say कि now तो exam आ रहे हैं. तो आपने ड्यूरिंग स्टडीज क्या किया ड्यूरिंग क्लासेस? यू शुड लर्न. जब आपके टीचर्स, आपके प्रोफेसर्स, आपकी फैकल्टी पढ़ा रही है, तो यू मस्ट लर्न एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. डोंट मेक इट पेंडिंग. So once you make it pending, it becomes pending next day, and whole syllabus will be basically incompleted. Then what will you do? You will feel lot of burden. So don't make it burden. पढ़ाई, प्रोजेक्ट में काम करना, टेक्नोलॉजीज को सीखना, दीज आर नॉट अ बर्डन. इनको एंजॉय करो. दीज आर जस्ट you can say these are kind of games you are playing. Now you are a kid, you can play all these games. इनको गेम की तरह एंजॉय करो, पढ़ाई को भी गेम की तरह. ठीक है. इसी तरीके से IEEE में अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व करके भी आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसको गेम समझ करके आगे बढ़ो, और अच्छी वॉलेंटियरिंग दो, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करो, रिसर्च पेपर्स करो, and try to involve yourself in conference. We will soon conduct some conference student level, जो कि मैंने लास्ट एक मीट में डिस्कस भी की थी in front of you people. So we have to conduct it. Thank you so much once again our alumni, like Richa, Avika Pal, Aditi. I think no one is left from alumni, है ना? Okay. So thank you so much for your kind words, beta. You have spared so much your important time here. That keeps most weightage here, because आप लोग जब शेप अप होकर के तैयार हुए, तो आप लोग अपने इस तरह से जूनियर्स को लर्निंग दे सकते हैं. यू कैन स्पेयर your enjoyable moments, your successful moments here. So even we are planning to conduct some workshop of alumni once you are ready. So please आप अपना जो भी बेस्ट टाइम हो आप हमें बताएं फ्यूचर में, so that 14 to 15 alumni will be welcomed in that workshop, and they will basically share their important moments, their successful moments with our juniors. Okay. Thank you so much once again. Prachi, now over to you, please. You may carry on.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views with us. Just a second. Now, I would like to present a small token of gratitude on behalf of the entire Women in Engineering Day team to all our special speakers for sparing their valuable time and enlightening us with their words of wisdom. Firstly, to Ms. Avika Pal, ma'am, who is the Chief Operating Officer at Sangre Innovations Private Limited. Then to Aditi Adhikari, ma'am, who is a System Engineer at Infosys. Richa Raj, ma'am, who is a Software Engineer Trainee at Yamaha. Dr. Aparna, ma'am, our Student Branch Counselor. Dr. Anita Shukla, ma'am, Student Branch Advisor. And finally to Ms. Rashmi Chauhan, ma'am, who is the Advisor of Computer Society at SIT. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Prachi.
Organized very well.
Thank you, Prachi.
So can we capture these?
Welcome, ma'am.
Can we capture these moments